welcome back to another video, and today we are playing some Don't Press the Button 2, and I am stealing this guy's coins. He is racing me for them. Wait, hold on, why was no one racing him? Wait, he gets to press the button again? Ooh. You already know your boy is good at obbies, so. My face cam broke. I promised I'll get it fixed. It's an app I'm using, but my face cam, it's not working, so. Are you serious? Hey, it's my turn to press the button. Wait! Hold up! Die. Yo, don't mess with me, man. Don't mess with me, son! Son! Ah! Well, I could waste Robux if I had some more Robux. But I don't have no Who won? They won. Oh, wait. Yeah, there's just one person left. 3, 2, 1. My turn to press the button. Ha. Why is it the same people pressing the button? Oh, wait, hold on. No. Well, no. It has to respawn. Yeah, it respawned. Come on, get it. Yes. Goal. Boy. Get it in the goal. No. Get it in the goal. My gosh. This is why teamwork never works. I like her outfit, guys. Comment down below if you played this game before yet. Wait, oh. I got scared for a second. That's how scary I am. Like, I got so scared when the ground head got off. Let's see the leaderboard. You guys see my name? I'm on the leaderboard. I'm on the leaderboard. Guys, we have to do a tightrope. I won't die. They respawn. This is easy. I've done this before. Hey, what are you doing? Are they serious? Move. I'm not dying because of you guys. Alright, I made it. Why is this glitched and why does this guy have no head? Oh my god, I just took this guy's head. Why was my head big? What? Use your gum to jump to the top. Oh, I played this. This is Bubblegum Simulator. You guys need to go try playing it. It's a good game. Except it's rage-inducing whenever you're trying to jump on the platforms. It's a little bit rage-inducing. But I still like playing it. Like, just because it's rage-inducing, that doesn't mean you shouldn't play it. It's a good game. Guys, go check out my game. Some people wanted their heads to be popped. Don't pop my head. Whew. Alright. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna press it. Why is my head gone? Oh, it's a unicorn. Come here. Hey, this is supposed to be mine. Ah, statue. Corner. My favorite color is blue. Blue. I go blue. No! I want like whenever you die, you come down and then you get to choose which one. It's still blue. There's nobody down there. Now that's a victory royale. Oh, this guy just joined. Alright, me. I pressed the button. Whoa, I don't know what that was an avalanche. Are we supposed to get in it or something? Who's ready to fight? Not me. I'm gonna wait for everyone to kill themselves. Well, that was easy. My strategy was so good. Well, it wasn't really a sort of a strategy, but yeah. I'm gonna rub it in their face. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Where was they? Me, I'm gonna press down. Baldi killed him. We all know what this is, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, this is my death. This is what heaven probably looks like. Me, I won't press the button. No. No. Well, guys, I was just checking out. Never mind. I was just checking out this soccer cage thing. I mean, the soccer net. Oh, is she gonna be the goalie? Alright, she's the goalie. She's the goalie. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like if you enjoyed it and subscribe. This is Adventures Leader signing off. And I'm just gonna go see if I can waste Robux and pet and tame all these dogs. Bye.